I don't know if the lighting is good, but yes, we're going to Macau today. We're going to Macau today. To Macau, yes. Padulong namin sa Macau. Padulong namin sa fast boat, no? One fast craft. Yes, going to Macau. We're so freaking excited. Bisag ano namin sa ticket. Bisag na-skim namin. Murag na-scam namin sa ticket kay 177 ang gari, pero among nabayaran is 600 HK. Right? Yes. Dako kaayo as in. Dako may sanan siya. So 300 plus ilang na kuan sa ako. Oh my god, I don't know how much 300 plus, but that's so much. Mas mahal pa ni ticket kaysa sa Disneyland. Yes, mas mahal pa ni as in. Di magod guys, nga dali-dali magod mi ganina. Dali-dali mi ganina, rami nagbukuan. So nami nag-think so much ever. That's why. But yes. Mura may gipangwakwakan ganina. But guys, we're here to enjoy, so oh my god. And we're so freaking excited. I'm so excited. It's my first time. Third time. Oh, ikaw na. Third time na niya sa mga. And third time na. And then this is my first time. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Look at the jacket though. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. Diba? Pang Macau lagi siya guys. Guys, look at this! Nandito na po kami sa Tagalog. Nandito sa Macau guys, and it's so freaking nice. I'm gonna show you. freaking amazing, guys. OMG. Guys, nami sa Macau and look at this toilets, ang CR. It's so fancy. Muna yung pinaka-fancy nga CR na ako nakitaan sa ako entire life. I think so. So yes, we're just touring around. I'm just showing some clips. And that's all.